Hi guys, so I'm going to show you today a command. Let's see, let's go to my blog. This command is to turn lines into HTML list. So let's go to, let me show you here. So a new section, a new section. So suppose I have a few lines, cat, dogs, and I want to turn them into a list. So I have like that. So that is the command HTML lines to list, and you can get that at oh, I don't have a web page for it, but it's in my HTML mod, HTML mod. You can get this package at this location. But so that's very nice. You can turn any line to HTML list, and if you want, you can, if you do it with a prefix like universal argument like control U, then you call the command, then you get a ordered list, OL. Let's look at the browser. Wait, and let's look at the browser. You see, that's the ordered list, and normal list like this. Okay, and today I wrote a new command. What I want is the definition list. So a definition list looks like, well, actually it's easier if I just show you. So for example, let's say I have some examples I can show you somewhere here. Yeah, this is the definition list. You have DL for definition list, and DT is the word you want to define, and DD is the definition, whatever you want. So, and the result looks like that. This list is useful if you write programming languages like functions. For example, let's see. Okay, let me go to my web blog. So delete that web blog. So here's are the things I want to do. Convert table to HTML. For example, this file. So this page is talking about HTML temp tag. That's a new tag in HTML5. And you can see here I'm using a table to explain, the syntax and the meaning. So this is for the attribute datetime. But anyway, let's yeah, let's try another example. Okay, here. So this page is HTML5 complete list of HTML5 tags. So I'm using lots of tables here. You can see they are all tables. But in this case, actually the best format is probably definition list. The problem with table is that they look nice in a browser, but however on a cell phone, now smartphone is so popular. If you want your web pages to show in Google search result, sometimes table format Google will complain, that's not readable on a smartphone. So I like to turn this into a definition list. So let's do that. Let's for example, let's do that. Make a backup. Okay, copy that and copy it here. Let's just manually do it. For example, remove the table, narrow to region, and change to, first of all, let's get the lines to DT. Search failed. Oh, there's a mistake. I need to, because you see, I'm trying to turn this line to to that. Let's show you. Let me show you. So I'm trying to, well, I'm trying to turn that line to this, but the problem is it requires a space. I don't want it to be space. So basically, what the okay, let me show you. Go to the a new window. Okay, that's a command. Let me do describe function and jump to the file. Okay, that's not right. It's not actually. You see, this is the code I just wrote like a few minutes ago, but now I already committed to my HTML mod. So let's look at the version in HTML mod. So let's see. That's my shortcut for XHTML mod. Then I can just jump to the code. So search for 2dt 2dl 2dl. Okay, there it is. So I want to evaluate it here. So you see, this line will become that. However, there's a problem. You see, if I don't have the space there, it will not work. Like right now, it will not work. So that's a mistake. So it should not require space. So what I need to do is just a that evaluate. Now let's try it. Yeah, that's good. So anyway, what I'm trying to say is okay, so I'm going to turn this table to the DT format. Let's do that. Narrow to region, close that. So I want the DL at the end. Then I want to change that to DT. Yes. Nah. I want to change that to DT. Definition list DL. Oh wait. So many mistakes. DL. Yes. Change all. Then I want to change the ending, this part, to DD. Yes, change all. Then I want to change this part to DT and beginning of DD. That's right. So now it's done. Expand window, show in browser. You see, now it looks like that. It does not necessarily looks better. I mean, I think the table looks better, but however, the DT is probably the way to go. I'll have to think about it, whether I'm gonna do this. But I mean, the point is, now I have the command. Now I have this command that allows me to write this definition list if I want. So let's show an example. So the command name is XHTML lines to DL, and if you just call it, for each line it will use the first period as the separator between definition and between the word to define and the definition. However, if you call a universal argument first, that is, you press Ctrl U. Let me show it here. So Ctrl U, then you call the command XHTML lines to DL. Then it will ask you what for a character to be used as a separator. So let's do that. In this case, I want it to be Well, actually, this is wrong. Let's I want to separate a character to be an arrow. Let's say so. So let me do some uh, manipulation first. Replace that by let's say arrow. Do it, do it, do it. No, no, yes, no, no, yes, no, yes, yes. Okay, there's a mistake here. Should be arrow. Yes. Okay. Now I wanna call the command. So Control U, then call the command lines to DL. Yes. Then give a character arrow. Yes. You see now it's doing that. So now I expand, uh, um, widen. You know, narrow to region, widen. So now that's good. Now I'm using those brackets so that I mean that's what I can change them to the code tag like that there. So show in browser again. So you see, so anyway, so that is the command XHTML lines to DL. So you can find the command in my mod, in this mod, and from this URL. Okay, that's all I want to show you today. And so I've been doing a few videos since a month or two ago. So if you like me to see, if you like to watch anything, make a comment. You know, let me know what you like to see. Um, or you can tweet me. Thank you for watching. Bye.